Uh, in this question, we have to find distance from C to E, and according to question, it is given that uh, at the point B, a boy which is observing a bird which is at the point C, and the distance from B to C is given that 100 meter, and the angle of elevation, so angle of elevation is 30 degree, and this is the position of bird. At the same time, this is the 20-meter tall building. At the point E, a girl is observing same bird and subtended the angle of elevation 45 degree. So you can see that again this angle is a 45 degree. So you have to find the distance from C to A. So you can see that this is the angle 45. That means this is also angle 45 because this is the 90 degree. So you 45 this triangle is isosceles. So this length will be equals to this length. So we have to find the distance from girl to point C. This is the position of bird at the same time. So let I consider the distance. This one is x. So you know that this distance also x. And why we are considering this distance? Because we have a 30 degree value and we have a hypotenuse. So you can see that this is a 20. So both the lines are parallel. So the length from D to E also 20. Okay. So with the help of sine ratio perpendicular by hypotenuse, we can find a one relation from D to C relation. ओके सो चलिए इस प्रॉब्लम को हम सॉल्व करते हैं और हम एक रिलेशन फाइंड करते हैं क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वी हैव अ गिवन हाइपोटेनियस एंगल 30 डिग्री. सो वी कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट द डिस्टेंस D एंड C using the trigonometrical ratio sine. So you can see that I am using the triangle BCD and where angle is 30 degree, and using the ratio trigonometry sine theta because perpendicular by hypotenuse, and now sine 30 equals to CD by value of BC is 100. So sine 30 1 upon 2 is equals to CD by 100. So you can see that 100 multiply with numerator. So CD is equals to 100 by 2. So the length of CD and the CD is equals to 50 meter. So you can easily assume that if total length is 50, so this length is 20. So you can see that 50 minus 20, so value of x will be 30. तो CD जब आप देखेंगे तो वो 20 प्लस x है और CD हमारे पास 50 है, तो 50 इक्वल्स टू 20 प्लस x. 20 अगर हम माइनस कर दें 50 से, सो वैल्यू ऑफ x हो जाएगी 30 मीटर. सो यू कैन ईजिली जज दैट कि दिस वैल्यू इज ऑल्सो 30. सो x इज 30 एंड इज x. नाउ यू कैन यूज द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम या यू कैन यूज द अदर रेशो like perpendicular upon hypotenuse or base upon hypotenuse, and we can find the value of C and E. So now I am using the triangle CEP. Angle is a 45 degree. You can see that in the diagram, and I am taking the ratio cos alpha because base upon hypotenuse. आप perpendicular भी ले सकते थे P by H, तो साइन से भी आपको आंसर मिल जाता. सो cos 45 30 डिग्री आप देखेंगे हमें डिस्टेंस मिलेगा P टू E. सो बेस हो गया 30, C हमें फाइंड करना है. सो वी नो दैट 1 अपॉन रूट 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 30 और C और दोनों में क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा. सो CE हमें जो वैल्यू मिलेगी वो 30 रूट 2 एंड मीटर. सो दिस इज द आवर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. द गर्ल विच इज ऑब्जर्विंग द बर्ड at the point C and their distance is 30 root 2 meter.